Hello everyone, it's good to see you all once again. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe my channel as well. My name is Ilyas Hassanzai and welcome to Ilyas Tech channel as well. This is crazy. Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. Welcome to Ilyas Tech channel. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe my channel as well. Today I would like to talk about one of the most important topic. It is very important topic for those who just dive in information communication technology, who just dive in information technology. It is bright in general because it is very important. I want to put it into nutshell, and let's talk about what is open source system and what is closed source system, or we can say what is open source software or operating system, or what is closed source system or operating system. Let's talk about what is open source system. Most of the time, software developer working on a project and just run some test software or prototype before they hand over to the company. These are untrusted software which is available in internet. There's another open source system such as Android operating system that lead by Google company. I can say that most of these software are trusted, or most of the time these software codes can be copied or modified and can be delayed by other user or another organization as well. Websites such as WordPress or open source software. Any threat will be founded and eliminated by communities. From cost standpoint, it is cheaper than closest source operating system or closed source software, but chance of hacking more than closed to system because the code is available to everyone. Okay, so now you know what is open source system. What do you think about the closed source system? Let's talk about what is closed source system. Closed system is the opposite of open source system or software. The software which is used closely guarded code such as Microsoft, Apple, so on. They have hired software developers or engineers in order to protect their client confidential, means the code is not leaked and no one knows the terminology of the programming language which they are using in the background. Moreover, they are mostly using the same software such as Java, C++, C#, Python, PHP, and so on. Means they are safe and it is very expensive from cost standpoint. For example, if you start build your website from scratch, now quality of service and the security is the key. Okay, I hope the information was very helpful. If you think it was very helpful, what are you waiting for? Subscribe the channel and share this video with your friend and with your family as well. Yep, it's very interesting topic and I thought it is better to share with all of you. Until next time, stay safe, be brave, and of course, see you next time.